Quality proteomics results begin with quality sample preparation. Manual sample prep is laborious. It takes up your valuable hands-on time. And even with the best will in the world, reproducibility still needs improvement. And for any significant biological insights, larger studies are needed to improve the statistical relevance of your results, requiring greater efforts on your part. And we're here to help you break free from the time, cost, and complexity of manual sample preparation and spend more time on your proteomics research. Introducing the Thermo Scientific AccelerOme automated sample preparation platform. More than an automated standalone system, the AccelerOme platform is optimized to fit into your Thermo Scientific Orbitrap mass spectrometer proteomics ecosystem, simplifying and streamlining your experimental workflow. Standardize your methods and make short work of complex tasks with factory-supplied, pre-made reagents and kits. We understand the best results come from rigorously designed experiments. For high-quality results, the AccelerOme platform allows you to build out your study with replicates and standards right at your desk and check for statistical confidence, all enabled by our novel experimental design tool. Once the experiment is designed, you can walk into the lab and set the AccelerOme platform up for sample preparation. No complex pre-programming is required. The wizard directs you to the needed kits and reagents and provides an easy schematic of where to place them, as well as your samples, into the AccelerOme platform, taking only minutes of hands-on time to start the process, and then you can go back to focus on other tasks. Your sample quality matters for downstream proteomics MS analysis. Know how much peptide you're injecting into your LC-MS system to better understand your results. The AccelerOme platform delivers unique peptide concentration determination with a built-in UV detector, so you know how much volume to add to reach sample concentration requirements. And when you streamline your workflow, you can be more productive. The study design tool creates a sample sequence that can drive downstream components. First, for the Orbitrap mass spectrometer and LC-MS analysis with the optimized MS acquisition method. Sample information entered into the design tool at the start automatically gets transferred through to data analysis and reporting, so be confident with your sample tracking from start to finish. The AccelerOme sample preparation platform supports multiple workflows, both label-free and TMT multiplexing, allowing flexibility for your proteomics research, all with the reproducibility you've come to expect from our history of proteomics expertise. Your time is valuable. That's why we're here. Free up your time for manual proteomics sample prep so you can spend more time acting on what you learn. The AccelerOme automated sample preparation platform. The quality of your sample prep matters. For more information, go to www.thermofisher.com/AccelerOme.